Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this, a filter pack for the DJI Pocket 2. So firstly, I would like to thank STARTRC for sending this to me and giving me an opportunity to test this. So taking a look at the packaging, we have a picture on the front with the DJI Pocket 2. On the top we don't have anything. On the side we have retain amazing moments. On the back it looks like we just have some official information. On the side we have the STARTRC website. And then on the bottom we have the STARTRC logo. So let's get this open. So the box is really tiny, and I appreciate companies trying to make the footprint of their packaging as small as possible. Okay, so the first thing we have is what looks, I'm guessing, is a screen cloth. And then we have what looks like a case with the filters in it. So it looks like the case is magnetic. Yeah, they are. So that's a really cool feature, and I like that a lot. When I was using the DJI Pocket 2, I put the wide filter in the case and annoyingly it fell out. So hopefully these don't fall out. So to properly test these ND filters, I chose a setting where the setting was really bright and shot at 100 ISO, and then I put on the ND filters to see how the light changed. And as you can see, as I go up in the ND filters, it gets darker. So this is what it looks like, and I didn't change any of the settings, and I recorded in 4K video. A fifth lens that is included in this pack is the NDU filter. This doesn't have any functionality apart from protecting the lens. As you can see, it doesn't have any difference over the video quality. So there was an unboxing and test of these ND filters. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching.